Hello my dear students. Today I'll be explaining y'all an instance for partner by estoppel and partner by holding out. Suppose in Ram, Hari and Company firm there are two partners. One is Ram and the other is Hari. If Giri, an outsider, represents himself as a partner of Ram, Hari and Company, and if he transacts with Madhu, who is an outsider, then Giri, who is an outsider but has transacted with Madhu, who is a third party, who is a party, that third party, with them, if Giri, an outsider, has dealt, then Giri will be held liable for any loss arising to Madhu. Here, Giri is considered as partner by estoppel because Giri has represented himself as a partner of Ram, Hari and Company. So, though Madhu doesn't know that Giri is not a partner, but Giri will be held liable because he has shown or his conduct made to believe that Madhu has believed that Giri is a partner. So Giri is considered as partner by estoppel. So let us understand partner by holding out with the same example. Ram and Hari both are partners of Ram, Hari and Company. Ram or Hari, one of them have declared that Gopal is a partner of their firm, and knowing this declaration, Gopal remains silent. Gopal is remaining silent. That means that Gopal will be liable to those parties. Gopal is liable for the third parties, whomever the Ram, Hari and Company has dealt with, because Gopal is remaining silent. So Gopal will be liable to those parties who suffer losses by transacting with Ram, Hari and Company, with a belief that Gopal is a partner of that firm. So Gopal will be known as partner by holding out. If he doesn't want to be responsible or liable for the third party, then Gopal has to declare and has to say that deny for being a partner. Even though Ram or Hari has declared, Gopal should have immediately denied for being a partner. Otherwise, Gopal is liable and he needs to suffer loss because of Ram, Hari and Company if they have transacted anything with the third party, believing that Gopal is a partner of that firm. So let us understand difference between partner by estoppel and partner by holding out. In brief, partner by estoppel is someone who is not a partner of a firm but allows others to think through their behavior or conduct. Whereas partner by holding out is someone who is not a partner of a firm but knowingly allows the firm to project to others that he or she is a partner of the firm. So if knowingly he remains quiet, then he will be termed as partner by holding out. If his behavior or conduct is making the third party to think that he or she is a partner, then he will be termed as partner by estoppel. An overview of types of partners. Active partner contributes capital, participates in the management affairs, shares profits as well as losses, and also has unlimited liability. Sleeping partner, he contributes, he shares profits, losses, he has unlimited liability but does not participate. That is why he or she is being termed as sleeping partner. Secret partner contributes capital, shares profits, losses, has unlimited liability, participates secretly. Nominal partner does not contribute, does not participate in the activities of the firm, has unlimited liability, but generally does not share any profit or losses. He is a nominal partner, namesake partner. His name is utilized by the partnership firm. Partner by estoppel does not contribute capital, does not participate in the management affairs, neither shares profits or losses, but he has unlimited liability. Partner by holding out, he will not contribute capital, he does not participate, neither shares any profits or losses, but has unlimited liability. That was an overview of types of partners. Thank you all.